Hey babe, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Jeannie and I am so glad you're here. I hope by the end of the video you'll decide to stick around because I would love to have you. So for today's video, we're going to unbag my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July. I'm actually doing a little twofer. I just got done filming my BoxyCharm base box for the month of July for my paid for box. My PR box was already uploaded and now I'm just waiting for my premium, which is probably the thing that I'm most excited about, but we don't have it yet. But today we do have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and you guys, I've got some feelings. I've got some feelings about Ipsy right now. We're going to talk about it. We're going to get into it. Before we do, I want to quickly mention, in case you are new here or, for everybody that has been here, thank you all so much for riding this out with me in the hotel room. We are just days away now from moving back to the house. Our kitchen will not be done. We'll be moving into a house without a working kitchen, and the cabinets should be in by the end of July. So we are getting there, but we just can't take another day of this hotel. We were waiting for this company that took all of the contents of our house after the fire. We had a kitchen fire. And they take everything, and then the insurance company will either decide that it is getting total lost and they reimburse us for it, or it gets cleaned by these fire trained people. Like, we haven't been able to get our stuff dropped off at the house. So instead, we're gonna have the insurance company pay for us to eat out since we don't have a working kitchen. Our kitchen has been ripped apart. It's just an empty room because they're paying for the hotel right now. So we'd rather just have them pay for us to eat out than stay another day in this hotel. It's been over 2 months, but we are days away now from moving home. So thank you all so much for sticking with me. There's been a lot less videos here on my channel and it's just been very difficult. And I want to thank you all for rooting me on. It has meant the world to me. So anyhow, without further ado, guys, let's jump into Ipsy. And like I said, I've got some things I want to say here about Ipsy. So, first off, I do have this little brush. I believe that this came from when you review your products and your bags, you get points, and then you can later use those points for extra products. I do believe at some point I used some points for this brush. I want to say it's like a Glam brush. And I don't have any brushes from them in my collection, so I wanted to try it. It actually does feel really nice. I like the way that it feels in my fingers, and the bristles feel extremely soft, and it seems like a nice little crease brush. So that's cool. You guys, so I have not been excited the last 2 months. When I go on to make my choices and I see, my brackets of products to choose from, everything is either like repeats and things that are merging over from BoxyCharm. And it's just getting frustrating because we pay a lot of money. When I'm paying for BoxyCharm and for Ipsy every month, I do the Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, the Glam Bag X, BoxyCharm Base Box, BoxyCharm Premium. I don't buy the Luxe Box for BoxyCharm. I do get it in PR, but I don't pay for it. But still, that's like that's a lot of money every month. I want to feel excited about the products that I'm getting. I don't want to be overloaded with duplicates where I'm getting like 5, 6, it's getting to be too much, and I'm really considering, I don't know what I'm going to do because I do really enjoy their Glam Bag X, but I'm getting irritated because it's been a couple of months that I have not been super excited about my Glam Bag Plus. I will say for the Glam Bag, mine has not come yet again this month. This was the second time in a row that for the $13 bag, there was full-size products to choose from. I actually chose something different this month. Last month, I did get a full-size palette. Not one that's like crazily expensive or anything, but it was a full-size palette and it was really pretty, and it was in the $13 bag. So this bag here costs, what is it, $28 now? Everything keeps going up. Now, I will say that there was one product that I was pretty excited to see. This is the Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation. This is in the shade Light Medium. I do have this product already, but I have it in the shade Light, which is a very good tone for my winter skin tone, it's not going to work for me in the summer. So I was really excited to see that they were offering me a light medium, because this will definitely be closer to my summer skin tone. And I really did like this foundation. There's another one that Yensa makes that I really like as well. I also really like one of their primers. There's a lot from the brand that I do really enjoy, and this foundation is one of them. It does have vitamin C. It also has that, I do not know how you pronounce this word right here, but I know it's a retinol alternative. And it's got some really good skin loving ingredients in here, and I really love that. I love my NARS light reflecting foundation. It's like 90% skincare. It's so beautiful on the skin. And when you're wearing foundation, you're helping your skin. So anything like that, I'm totally here for that. And I'm excited to have a color that will work for me in the summer. Did I need another foundation? Hell to the no. Hell to the no. But here we are. So there is that. Now, when I saw this product, I was like, this is a product that was chosen for me, and it is the Araceli Tequila Highlighter. Now, I want to say their tequila highlighter is like a whole series. Like, they have all different shades with different tequila names. This one is in Blanco, I believe. I just don't need any more highlighters. And it looks kind of broken. It's still in the pan, but like around the edges looks broken. I shouldn't even swatch this. I should just use it for a giveaway, because I don't need another highlighter. And I mean, that does look very, very nice, but I'm just not, I don't know. Ipsy's losing their charm to me. And another thing, if we're keeping it real, a few months back, you guys, and hear me out on this. Tell me if I'm wrong, okay? Because we talked through email, and they contacted me and said that they thought that I was a good fit for their open studio program, which is basically where you get Ipsy PR. And I'm like, oh my God, that's awesome. I would absolutely love that. That would be great, right? And then they said, our program is on a quarterly basis, and the next quarter is in June. So expect to hear from us late May, early June with like your first package. And I'm like, awesome. Okay. So we get like into like the second week of June. I didn't get an email. I didn't get a package. So I just was like, hey, this is Jeannie. Just, trying to find out what was going on, explain the situation. They never said a word. They never sent anything. They never said a word. And here's the thing. I don't believe that like I'm all deserving of like all of this PR or anything like that. But I just thought it was really shitty that they were the ones who said that to me and then never sent anything, and then don't even respond to an email. And that just kind of shows that like, I don't know. There's just something about that doesn't sit right with me. Like, that's irritating. I don't like that. So there's that. And so that has a sour taste in my mouth. But moving right along to the next product, guys, we got from Korres the Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream. And I love Korres. Absolutely adore their products. I'm rolling my eyes because this was just a choice, 2 months ago in BoxyCharm. I chose it for my box, and then since I really do love the brand, I actually picked another one up in the BoxyCharm sale to have a backup. So now we've got 3. And so as you can see, this is why I'm like, come on, really? I don't know, guys. And then for the next product, this is from Symbiosis London. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Symbiosis London, I guess. And this is their tightening and resplendent eye mask. So this is again a product that I got out of a BoxyCharm at some point. It's actually been a while since I did get this product from BoxyCharm, but I did really like it. And then when I saw it in the store, I picked up a couple on like their 2-for deals on the BoxyCharm sale. So I've got like 2 of these in my drawer at home, and now I've got another one. So I guess I'm going to start using, you know, things for giveaways, but then I really need to like scale back on my spending if I'm going to be spending all this money and just using everything for giveaways. And you guys know I love doing giveaways. You know I love hooking you guys up with badass giveaways. I do them all the time here. I do them whenever I can here. But it's just getting to be like, if I'm spending all this money, there's got to be something for me. I'm just so unexcited about this. But next, this was a product that I was kind of excited to try because this is a newer brand to me. This is open and leaking all over. Cool. The one thing that I was excited about. Wow, okay, I don't even have anything to wipe it off with, but it's from Volition Beauty. Now I'm really irritated, guys. Okay, so this is from Volition Beauty and is the Screen Time Hydro Mist. I have dry skin, so I like anything that's Hydra, and I do spend, you know, time on my phone because I am a content creator, editing. Because I'm small, I'm not like a huge I don't have like, you know, a million followers or anything like that. Right now, I just work off my iPhone, so I do spend a lot of time on my phone, and this is a newer brand to me. I have enjoyed the few things that I have tried from them, and so I wanted to give it a go, but it feels very oily and it's leaking all over. So there's that. And then, last but not least, this is another thing that came from Ipsy points. So again, you can take your bags and review each product individually and then review the bag as a whole, and you will get points for that. And then you can later use those points for extra products, which I do think is cool because it's pretty easy to accumulate enough points to get extra little goodies. But this is from the brand Contact Skin, and this is a matte lipstick in the shade Tears Are Falling, but I thought it was a really pretty kind of dusty rose nude color. And I've gotten lipsticks from this brand in the past through Ipsy that I thought were really nice. Even the mattes are kind of like that soft, creamy matte kind of texture, which I do like. So I wanted to go ahead and just grab that because I had the points to get it. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I mean, it's just, I don't know. It's losing its magic for me. And then of course there's the whole issue with them contacting me, saying all that, and then just ghosting me, which is kind of like, I just think that's shitty to do to somebody. Like, I don't even care about the PR. I buy the shit. I don't need the PR, but I just thought it was really shitty the way they went about that and what they did. So that's annoying. That might have something to do with how I'm feeling, but still, even without that, it's just, I've got 3 of these. I already have this foundation. It is nice to have a summer shade of it, but I've got 3 of these. Another highlighter just kind of makes me roll my eyes at this point. And this one I'm excited for, but it's half gone because it leaked all over. So yeah. I don't know, guys. Maybe I'm just being a bitch. I don't know. But that's it. That's my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July. I'll definitely be back here with my Glam bag just as soon as it comes in. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day/night to hang out with me because I really, really appreciate that. And I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.